So I'm back on the 309 again, and I'm back on the wiring again. So whoever has done this wiring loom has made my life quite difficult because there was just problem after problem. So I've cut most of the loom out. The last job I've got is the tacho and the dash pinnacle. This is the original one that was in there. This is the broken one. We can see there the broken bit. But you can also see it's been in a swamp as well somewhere. So I've kept the speedo head. As I was looking for the rev counter, we realised that the rev counter that was in my gauge was faulty. So we've swapped the speedo head out of this old one, so it's got correct mileage. And now all my gauge lights are working, and now the rev counter is working. I've just got my oil temp to wire up and then put it all back together. But I lost horn at some point, so we found the horn wires and we've sorted them. It has been a really tedious job, and yeah, I'm glad I'm coming to the end of it now. But dash is going back together today. So we're back out for the final time to clean the clocks. I didn't like there's a bit of muck on them. And the last thing is to make sure all our bulbs are working. So I'm just picking the good ones out of the other dash. I think we've only got 2 or 3 missing, and we should be going back in for good. Right, and as you can see, we've just got one more. So there was actually 4 missing. Right, since the last video, which was only an hour or so ago, I've had to get another set of clocks because the set we had in, obviously they're the original ones with the swamp mark. These are the next ones. It's obviously a common problem because this one has burnt out as well. This was together when we first started, but whatever's happened while we've been in and out, it's damaged the ribbon. Tried to repair it. It's just a nightmare. You can't repair them because of the plastic. It just it doesn't sit well with the solder. So I had to get another set. Swap the speedo over. Swap the tacho over because the tacho in the third one didn't work. But I'm pleased to say now we're getting somewhere. So we've got all our lights. All the dash working. Dash lights, sorry. Warning lights. Rev counter. We even had a problem where you turn the lights on, the rev counter went out, which I realised our mistake, and I've sorted that out now. So now I can put it back together. It's only been a few hours of messing about, but these old cars definitely trying at times. And another important job, you've got it jacked up, make sure speedo works. All good. So the dash is all done now. I'm getting it ready for MOT jobs. So I'm back into the wiring again to try and get some spotlights and fog lights. I've got my spotlights, but no wiring for fog lights as of yet. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go home. I really am going home now. I'm sick of wiring today. At least we're moving forward slowly.